Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement is the first all India mass movement. It was also called as Khilafat movement. Mahatma Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement on 1st August 1920. Initially Congress kept away from the movement but allowed Gandhiji to go with the struggle. Causes of non-cooperation movement. Dissatisfying Government of India Act 1919, which was called Montague-Chevreul Reforms of India, Rowlatt Act, Khilaf issue, inflation and shortage of supplies. Goal of non-cooperation movement. Attainment of Swaraj within a year, redressal of Punjab wrongs, redressal of Turkish wrongs. Programs. Boycott of government titles, boycott of law courts and legislations, boycott of government educational institutions and establishment of national educational institution, boycott of British goods, civil disobedience movement at a later stage, promotion of Gandhian constructive programs like promotion of Khadi, Charka, upliftment of women, promotion of Hindu-Muslim unity, work against untouchability. Regional variations. First one, Kerala. Malabar Rebellion in 1920. It was by Muslim Mapla peasants. Its leader was Ali Musliar, and this was a very violent movement and which forced the Congress to dishonor it. Wagon tragedy is also associated with this. Andhra Pradesh, Chiral Piral Satyagraha. This was led by Dugiral Gopal Krishnaiya. In Bengal, Union board tax, strikes in railway and tea plantation. This was led by Chittaranjan Das and was assisted by Subhash Chandra Bose and Jatindra Mohan Sengupta. In Assam, Chaukindara tax, strikes in tea plantations. This was led by Birendranath Sasmal and also by the followers of C.R. Das. In Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, peasant movements. The organizations were UP Kisan Sabha and Ahwad Kisan Sabha. This was led by Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Narayana Dwivedi, Baba Ramachandra, Gauri Shankar Mishra. In Rajasthan, tribals were organized and was led by Motilal Tejawat. In Punjab, Akali movement, which was led by Sikhs, Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhik Committee in 1920 was led by Baba Karak Singh and Master Tara Singh. In Gujarat, it was Ali System movement. This movement was for tribals who were forced and Bonded Labour Act was abolished. These tribals were termed as Kuvarji Mehta. In Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Telangana, forest satyagrahas were there. In 1920, annual Congress section was held at Nagpur, and in this section, a new constitution was adopted for Congress and it was drafted by Mahatma Gandhi. Congress was fully converted into an organization. First, 350-member All India Congress Committee was established, 15-member Congress Working Committee, creation of Linguistic Provisional Congress Committee. Congress committee were established in district, taluk, village and wards. In 1921, Viceroy reading held with Gandhi which is called Gandhi reading section. In November 1921, the Prince of Wales visited India. It resulted to police firings in India and many satyagrahas also was held in India. Gandhi launched a hunger strike to re-establish normalcy in the city. Finally, in January 1928, Mahatma Gandhi launched the civil disobedience movement from Bardoli in Gujarat. It was based on two demands: immediate release of political prisoners and removal of press censorship. But before Gandhi could launch the movement, Chauri Chauri incident happened on 5th February 1922, where 22 policemen were killed on fire by the angry crowd. The very next day, Mahatma Gandhi withdrew the non cooperation movement through Bardoli Resolution on 12th February 1922. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.